Hello, my name is Ben Ettlinger, and I am a graduate student in the Systems Engineering Department of Colorado State University, and today I will be presenting the following demonstration over a proof-of-concept secure diagnostic connection for heavy vehicles. This demonstration is based on the demo paper titled Securing Heavy Vehicle Diagnostics, written by Dr. Jeremy Daly, David Nnaji, and myself, Ben Ettlinger. The encrypted diagnostic connection is designed to thwart cybersecurity attacks between the vehicle network gateway and a diagnostic application hosted on a PC. Attack vectors on the diagnostic connection between the PC application and the vehicle network include middle-person devices, compromised VDA firmware, and compromised VDA drivers. The encrypted link depends on a hardware security module which resides on the secured gateway. Because of the message data encryption, nearly any change to a message will prevent it from being decrypted. Failure to decrypt a message indicates to the user a possible hardware malfunction or compromise within the diagnostic connection. The following demonstration will be shown in 4 parts. First, a VIN request on a standard truck gateway using J1939. It will be performed using a healthy VDA, followed by a compromised VDA with firmware designed to alter the VIN response. These steps will then be repeated, but using a secure diagnostic connection with the cryptographic gateway instead of the standard diagnostic port. To protect the identity of some device manufacturers, certain device details have been covered or blurred. First, we establish a J1939 connection using the VDA. Next, we request the VIN. Now the standard diagnostic connection with a compromised VDA. The compromised VDA has altered the VIN response. Now a secure diagnostic connection using a healthy VDA. To establish the secure connection, the user must either log in with an online connection or provide an offline key. J1939 traffic was successfully received through the encrypted link. Now for the final test, an encrypted diagnostic connection with a compromised VDA. The compromised VDA was not able to modify the VIN response on the encrypted connection. In conclusion, a compromised VDA was able to alter diagnostic communications between the vehicle network and the PC application. However, the compromised VDA was unable to modify VIN response messages on the encrypted diagnostic connection using the secure cryptographic gateway. Thank you for your time.